Hi, in this tutorial, we'll find trips that match the two criteria, the time and the distance. So we will start with the criteria for regular hours, and similar steps can be repeated to find divertible trips during rush hours as well. So I'll start with select by attribute, and there are two conditions that need to be met for these trips to be divertible during regular hours. The first one, and first I'll navigate to a new field that I created, which I named it as divert reg. And I'll navigate to this field, and then I'll go to select by attributes. And there are two criteria that need to be met. I'll start with the regular hours criteria. So I'll select rush, which indicates whether the trip was within rush hours or no. So I'll start with rush equals to 0, which indicates it's during regular hours and not rush hours. And so we need to use the AND Boolean because we need to intersect these two conditions as both of them need to be met. And the second one will be for the 10 miles. So it should also be less than 10 miles. So I'll also go navigate to 10 miles and I'll select and 10 miles equals 1. Apply. And here I selected the trips that only match this criteria, being during regular hours and less or equal to 10 miles. I'll calculate the new field that I created here, which is called divert reg, and I'll make it equal to 1. So I can still easily identify those trips.